Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your delivery address on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account and click on your profile at the top right corner. And to change the shipping address, you have to scroll all the way down and you can see all accounts option. Click on it. Now here, scroll a bit down and you can see your addresses under account setting. Click on it. Now, since we are changing our delivery address, click on add a new address. You can see this form here. Enter your phone number. Your name is automatically inserted in the forms, and your address, city, state, and the zip code of the region you're in. And you can also make this default by clicking on make this default address, and now you can click on add address. That's how you can change your delivery address on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.